Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore amortization planning with Unbury Me, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring amortization planning with Unbury Me, start by visiting the official Unbury Me website or application. Once you're on the platform, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration prompts. After logging in, locate the main dashboard. Look for the Amortization Planning option on the dashboard menu. Click on it to access the Amortization Planning section. Here, you may see existing plans or a prompt to create a new one. If creating a new plan, select the Create New Plan button. Input the necessary details such as loan amount, interest rate, and term length. Ensure that you double-check your entries for accuracy. After entering the details, proceed to review the amortization schedule. This schedule will provide an overview of payment distribution over the loan term. If adjustments are needed, look for the Edit option to modify your entries. Once satisfied with your specifications, confirm the plan by clicking Save or Submit. Return to the main dashboard to see your newly restored amortization plan. You can view detailed graphics or charts that represent your payment schedule. To further customize, explore advanced settings if available. These settings may allow you to adjust payment frequency or additional payments. Finally, ensure to log out securely from your account once you are done. Check back regularly to monitor your amortization planning progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.